Hey there, Julian from MemberStack here, and today I want to talk about something that a lot of freelancers and agencies talk about, which is how do you keep the project going? How do you keep the client going after the website is done? And I would know because I have spent over 6 years of my career either working as a freelancer, working in agencies, or working on my own agency. So this is a problem that I had personally battled with for a while, tried a lot of things, failed a lot of things, and also talked to a lot of other people in the same position to see what does work and what doesn't work. And the usual thing that people think is going to keep them going after the project is done is maintenance. And that means simple updates, whatever it is that the client asks, building new pages when they ask, so on and so forth. And while that is something you should definitely do, it is not going to keep the business running. It is not going to keep that revenue in your pocket because clients simply don't have enough requests as it is. Now, there are exceptions to that, but by and large, from what I've seen, you are not going to get a pretty big retainer doing that just because few websites in the world actually need that much ongoing maintenance. So that being said, what do you actually do? To put it simply, the solution is to create more projects. And what that means is not to just go ahead and build them a new website over and over again because they don't need it, hopefully you made them a nice website. The solution is to figure out what it is that the company actually needs, to get into a conversation with them about their business goals. They're not building a website because they want something that looks pretty. They're doing it for a reason, something that fits in with their overall objectives. So what you're going to want to do is sit down with them and have a conversation about what it is they're trying to do. What are their issues? Are they looking for more leads? Are they looking for more sales? Are they looking to enhance their processes? What is it that they are looking to do? What is the pressing thing in their mind at the moment? And once you get into that conversation with them, you as the expert are probably going to start to see a lot of opportunities. For example, if your client is really saying, we're struggling to get leads right now, it's a really slow period and we want to see how we can fix that, then you can immediately figure out that the solution to that could possibly be some paid media. And maybe you don't do paid media. We're only talking about websites here. So what you would want to do then is figure out with them who is going to be running these paid ads, maybe help them, maybe give them a referral. And then from there, a big part of paid ads is landing pages. So you would then build, test, maintain, do some CRO work on those landing pages. And that is another project for you. Now, let's say, for example, one of their issues is that internally, something that has nothing to do with the website, but internally, their employees are a little bit disorganized. They don't know what's going on. They want this central hub. Then, if you know how to use things like MemberStack, Wiz, Airtable, Make, all these no-code tools that can power an actual web app, you can propose to them building a sort of internal tool that their employees can use. The trend here is simple. It is find what their issue is and apply your skills to making it work. So finally, just to wrap all of this up, I want to mention that the best thing you could possibly do is teach yourself more. If you are only a Webflow developer, for example, then the only thing you can help them with is developing in Webflow. Now, if you are a Webflow developer and a designer, then you can design stuff for them and you can build it. If you are a Webflow developer, a designer, and you work with other no-code tools like MemberStack in order to build web apps, then you can design, develop, and deploy web apps for them. And the list just goes on. It is great if you want to learn paid ads, if you want to learn graphics, whatever it is that you want to learn. The more that you can do, the more that you can charge, the more that you can help with, the happier your clients will be. So that is it. I will talk to you soon and have a great day.